So here's how you can make an iPhone outline in Photoshop. Let me explain what things we have available. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this. Well, essentially the point is that in Photoshop you can layer things on top of each other, and there are plenty of mock-ups of the iPhone, like a frame of the phone, which you can use as a PNG, as like an overlay in your images. Naturally, you have to find one. I'm going to share one below in the description. It's for like a random iPhone 16, but if you need like more, you likely need to look it up, like perhaps get a subscription for that kind of service, because there are plenty of like websites which let you download these kind of like presets and overlays. But the point is that within Photoshop you can have your base layer below, but you can add another image on the top of that. And if you just have the photo in the gallery, you can literally import it from the Photos app, import it as such, and you can see since it's a PNG, it is transparent and it's basically just an overlay with the iPhone shape. So of course the layer below can be transferred as well. Like you can just grab it and also like resize it, for example, to make it fit the iPhone, or mask it in a sense that it just fits specifically into that image, right? So that is basically how it works. You just want to make sure that that image can actually fit into the overlay of the iPhone, and you can work with that file. So a lot of people want to do that for many creative projects, so I really hope I could quickly explain it to you and just show you how it kind of works. For more detailed guides, just let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but for now that's gonna be about it. Thanks a lot, and I'm gonna talk to you later in the upcoming videos as well.